Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Die. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Die's Shorts. And I have the welcome box, and this is the new a new way when you join my team. You sign up differently than you have in the past. And I will explain that when I flip my video. But I got the welcome box. Look how big it is. Look how big it is. So I'll explain all that. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. And Jeff changed my wheels on my chair so they roll like really, really smooth. And I have a little slope. My studio used to be our 2-car garage, and we converted it into my studio. So we had to raise the floor. So when you come in, when you had a car, there's like a little angle, right? So water or oil, it goes away from the house. But then there was a step up to get into the house. So, we didn't want to step. So we raised the floor, but there's just this little bump. So when we had this, I forget what kind of floor we put down. Epoxy floor. It looks really, really cool. It emphasized that little bump because they put like a self-leveling kind of stuff underneath there, but it left this little bump. So if my chair gets up on that little bump, it like rolls, right? So anyway, you didn't need to know all that, but but when I fight with my chair because it wants to go whoop, it's because of that little bump, because those wheels are so like whoosh. But anyways, that's a lot of information. So before I turn, I always like to go thrift shopping, Goodwill, thrift stores, you name it, Savers, whatever. And I think I posted this. I posted this on Facebook, but I don't think I showed it on my YouTube channel. But look at the cute stamp set I found. And this is from 1999, and that's when I joined. Like, that's how old this stamp set is. And this is called Winter Wilma. But look how cute she is with the puppy and the cat and the greeting. Love has the warmth to melt away the frosty chill of a winter's day. And it has never been used. They mounted it so beautifully, but they never used it. Wouldn't it be funny if this was actually, because I had this set at one time and I sold it, whatever. Maybe wouldn't it be funny if this, no, I used mine, so it wouldn't show. And then here's a couple other pieces, but it's so adorable. Look at the little, I remember making some cute cards with this. So, and it was in a bag with some other stuff. Always look at the thrift stores. Always go over to the bags and check those out, because I've gotten some cute things. And then a lot of times, when I do my mini masterpieces, I use old retired stuff because it makes the mini masterpiece, more fun, I think. All right, so I'm thinking that I wonder if she would fit on one. We'll see. Anyways, all right, so let me stop blabbing so I can spin the camera. So this isn't a dies long instead of a short, and we will get to the welcome back. So close your eyes for a second while I do that. I'm just going to raise my thing up a little bit. All right, so we will move Winter Wilma out of the way. Adorable. All right, and this is just my blog, on my blog. So I want to make sure I was saying everything right. So it's $100. So it went up like a penny, because it used to be like, or $1, because it used to be 99. Now it's 100. And then, so when you join, you just go, you fill out the really quick online agreement, just a few details. You pay $100. Now this is in the United States, right? Other countries would be a different price. So I'm just telling you the United States because that's where I am at. And then click submit, and you'll get an email with your demonstrator ID number, and then you're going to receive your welcome box in the mail. But you'll also get in that email, you'll get a coupon code, and you'll get a coupon code for $125. And then when you shop, so just like how you shopped with me, but you will be shopping with yourself. So you'll put your demonstrator number in there, and then you'll have the coupon code. So you'll put your coupon code in there, and then you'll have $125 to spend. You'll also get an 8-pack of catalogs, but you'll want to add those to your order. Like, they don't automatically, there might be a reminder on there, so just make sure you add them. And then you can order as much as you want. So you can go over, the 125. And in years past, you could only stay within that 125, right? So now you can go over, and if you go over, you might earn rewards. You might, earn other things if there's other specials going on or whatever. And then you'll get at least 20% off your future orders, starting as soon as you join. So holler at me. I would love to have you join. All right, so let me show you the welcome box. So it has welcome, bienvenue, welcome, welcome. All right. So hopefully it's okay I'm showing you this. I don't think it's a big surprise. All right. And look at that cute little inside of the box. And the box is really nice. It's a real heavy box. So let me take all this stuff out of it so I can get the box off my desk. And then I'll show you everything that was in there. But it's just the cutest little box. And you can put that in your, it's got the Inspire, Create, Share, Stampin' Up. You could put this in your studio or wherever, or you can put the stuff back in there and show it. That's what I'll probably do. All right, so you will get a stamp set. Now remember, you'll get 8 catalogs. So depending on when you join will be the catalogs you get, right? Because right now it is, let me get the catalog. It's this catalog. So you'll get 8 of these. Right now, since I'm a demonstrator, we are actually pre-ordering from the new September to December. So if you join now, you would be able to do the same thing. All right. So this is the little kit, and it makes some cards. And this is really nice because you could make the cards, and here's the stamp set. So here's the little stamp set. So you've got a bird, hello, hip hip hooray, some cherries, some hearts. You've got your copyright Stampin' Up, which is so important because now you've got your angel policy covered. So if you make cards or other things to sell that you use the Stampin' Up artwork for, you need that copyright Stampin' Up to make it so it's for the angel policy. You've got your copyright right there. I love that. Celebrate. It's really, really cute. And you got a pretty peacock spot. You have some dimensionals, the big mama ones, some tear tape. You've got your envelopes. But what's cool is you can make these cards and use them to tell your friends, look what I'm doing. Would you be interested in having a party or whatever? Or you could have your friends over and make these cards. So you've got your card bases. You've got your card pieces that little bird will stamp over. I'll have to make these like next week. You've got these. So I think it makes 9, if I'm not mistaken. And your chipboard, good old chipboard. And this probably shows a picture. Oh, yeah. So there's what it makes. Very cute. So there's a video walkthrough showing you how to complete your card. So you just use that QR code. But I would maybe I'll make those next week because they're very, very cute. All right, what else? Oh, you also got a D block so that, you can use that. Maybe you're brand new, right? Maybe you went to you watch my videos, you went to a party or something, and you're like, I want to try that. I don't have anything. There you go. All right. Then you have a cute little pop-up garbage pail. I love this. Bing! Look how cute it is! And it's like a teal color. It's pretty peacock, right? It's pretty peacock. Even though the video, it looks kind of bluish, but it's pretty peacock. Look how stinking cute that is. All right. And then I love this. And I showed you when I had, when I was talking to you about the kit before, we had got something similar to this at one of the events. So let me get the little wrap out of it. And the salt and pepper. All right. So you have your little pencil case, basically. So let's put our scissors in there. Maybe we'll put a little pen. Oh, look, maybe we'll put the pen that we get in the kit. So your starter, your welcome box also comes with a cute little pen. Okay, I'm just going to put it in there inside the box and keep it all pristine. All right, so I'm going to put that in there. All right, let's see what else. And you also get, it's official. Let me see. Let's see, do I have a, because this is Sarah's letter. All right, I'm just going to use these scissors. I don't want to wreck the envelope. All right, so hold on. Watch me cut the card if the card's in there folded differently. Just open it already, Diana. All right. You should see me open Christmas presents. All right. Okay, so we got a little card. And it's handwritten by Sarah. All right, so I'm not going to read it because you can get your own. All right, so I'm just going to set that with this other stuff. All right, so let me go back to the pencil case. All right, so then what you do is, so this is when you're working. You're sitting at your desk. Everything is like that. You got your gel pen. You've got your blending brush. Oh, you've got your letter opener that I couldn't find before. Just kidding. All right, you've got your bone folder. You know, whatever. All right, so we're working. We're stamping along. You do it. Then it's time to go. And what you do is you pull this up. And now it zips closed and everything is in there all nice and secure. Very, very cute. I'll have to shave that. So it's cute, cute, cute. Then when you're going to, craft again, you'll unzip it and you pull. There's like little tabs right here on each side and you just pull it down. Whoop, and then there's all your stuff again. Is that not the cutest thing ever? Now, this would be cute because like I said, I have, so that came with the welcome kit. This is one that I had got years ago at an event. So I might just now move this into here so I can show it. And I might put this one in my bathroom because this would be perfect for makeup, right? Your brushes and your eyeliner and your mascara. Smart, right? Very, very smart. All right. So I think that is so cute. So let's just do this up. So that is the welcome kit. You've got your garbage pail, your little spot, your welcome card, your stamp set. So what a great, great idea. I love that. I especially love that you can order as much as you want, basically. Not salt and pepper. That's really not salt and pepper. But I love that you can, order as much as you want. All right, so let me put this down. Let me say, see you later, alligator. Oh, look at it. Is just so adorable. Look, my head's bigger. So anyways, just so cute. And then just pushing it down and you put that little um doohickey on there, the little rubber band to close it. But I'll just be leaving it like that. So anyways, maybe it'll have to sit back here like that. But what I was thinking of putting it all back in the box, kind of as a display. So if anyone's like, well, what do you get? Then you can like put it back in the little box. I'll make the cards. And it makes a cute display thing. Right? All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a good weekend. And I will see you Monday for my Mimi Yoga Monday with a Twist. And that'll be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you then. All right, bye for now.